Thanks for allowing me to do this assignment. Let me show you what I'm looking at. If I click on student view right here, if the student's looking at this, they'll click up here, show rubric. Here's the rubric that they're being evaluated on: integration of knowledge, organization and readability, grammar and mechanics, and APA formatting. So if I want to leave student view and I've been asked to grade it, if I go over to speed grader right here, and if I go view rubric, I can put in, here's my, let's say students did this. I can press this, 66. I put 66, and I can put Jenny, great job of identifying, and then blah, blah, blah. And I press submit, and I can submit my assignment comments here and my written, or my rubric right here. This was one of the part of the assignments.